I did not want to open my Monolith CNC kit until I was ready to install it. But due to discovering some compatibility issues with the Carbonara hardware kit and Carbonara hardware kit and the CNC Monolith gantry, I need to open it up to test it so I can make sure I have the right hardware. So let's open this thing up. So we got stickers, or a sticker, nice Monolith sticker. Just lay that to the side. Packing list with all the parts. We've got hardware, live shaft pulleys, screws, pins, all the good stuff. Let's get that out of the way. And lift this off. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful. Got nice little pull tabs to pull everything out. Got our front motor mounts, rear motor mounts, XY joints. Stunning packaging. I absolutely love it. More hardware. Anyway, I'm not going to unbox the whole thing. I might do another video on it later. Very impressed with this packaging. Absolutely love it. But yeah, that's what you get.